Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I'm so sorry. Basically life has happened. But anyway, we digress. We are in our kitchen and today we are making lemon curd. Now, I thought I would do like a back to basic recipe this week, purely just because it's really cold outside and I wanted something to like put a spring in my step for the week. So let me run you through the ingredients. So we have 134 grams of white sugar along with an eighth of a teaspoon of salt. We have 86 grams of unsalted butter that I have just cut up into cubes. We have 4 large free-range egg yolks. And then we have 80 mils of fresh lemon juice. Now this was about 4 lemons for me, and I really had to juice the hell out of them. And then we have zest of 1 lemon as well. And I've just made sure that I have zested the lemon zest into the same bowl that we're going to use as our double boiler, so that you get all of that extra lemon oil that comes out when you microplane them. So to this bowl, we're going to add our lemon juice. We're going to add our sugar, as well as our 4 egg yolks. And then we're going to beat this up with a silicone whisk until it is lovely and incorporated. And then we're going to take it to the hob and give it some love on the double boiler. All right, so now it's on the hob as a double boiler. We are just going to continue to stir this until it starts to thicken up. Shouldn't take too long, roughly about 10 minutes, but you just want to keep continuously stirring so you don't get any cooked egg globules in there. Alrighty, and now that that has come off the double boiler, it has thickened up lovely, which is exactly what we want. So we're going to then add our butter and stir this in until it is lovely incorporated. Now the heat of the curd is actually going to melt the butter anyway, and it will make the curd lovely and like glossy and super smooth, which is exactly what you want. And then we're going to pour it into a glass bowl once it's fully melted. And as you can see, it's already starting to thicken up. And because curd is basically sugar as well, the colder it gets, the thicker it will get as well. So I would say this quantity of lemon curd will be perfect for like 12 cupcakes, a 6-inch cake, a batch of scones, anything like that. It's definitely enough curd for your 12 cupcakes. All right, so now that that is fully incorporated, we're going to move it to the side and we're going to pour it into our smaller glass bowl. Yum, it smells so delicious. And it's a lovely bright orange, and now you're going to get that orange/yellow from your eggs. So if you use free range eggs, the yolks, you will notice when you make scrambled eggs, the yolks themselves are way more almost like fluorescent yellow, orange. They are what you want because they're going to give you the brighter curd. Also, it's way better for, animal safety, animal cruelty? No, way better for, what is it? Just general animal health. Right. So as I said before, we're just going to wrap it in some cling film, and we obviously want this cling film to touch the surface of this lemon curd so that we don't get that horrible skin forming. And then this can go in the fridge until it's nice and cool and it's basically ready to use. You're ready to use it. And then in terms of storage, you can store it in the fridge for up to 10 days and it's pretty much good to go. So yay. Alrighty guys, well thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed your lemon curd recipe, and please feel free to tag and share this recipe with all of your friends, but also if you create the recipe, I'd love to see what you create with your lemon curd. We will be back next week using the lemon curd. Leave a comment in the comments box below to see if you can guess what I will be making with this delicious lemon nectar, and we shall see you next week. Bye guys.